How to enable charging limits on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Scroll down and go to Charging as shown. You can view and change your charge limit over here. Drag the slider to adjust your charge limit. You can also choose whether to turn on or off the optimized battery charging. This means that when the charge limit is set to 100%, it allows iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. Following these steps, you can easily enable charging limits on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.